We needed a way for residents to be able to communicate with technology. We brought Alexa into our community 4 years ago.
Alexa allows our staff to stay connected to our residents and our residents to stay connected in our communities and to their loved ones.
Alexa has been transformative. We have now distributed over 1,000 Echo devices across 9 of our communities.
Loneliness can be a major problem for seniors and ultimately makes them feel unworthy.
Being lonely and keeping in contact with friends, those are the challenges. Alexa is like a friend who knows something that I don't know and comes up with the answer. Alexa, what's for breakfast today?
Here's today's menu from the cafeteria.
For many of our residents, family visits are the most important thing in their life.
When I say, Alexa, call my son, and I see those beautiful smiles, I'm in seventh heaven.
Alexa is making our staff more efficient.
I'm able to create daily announcements and share the activities of the day.
The adoption is so high because it's so easy to use.
Using Alexa makes me feel more independent.
I use it to turn on the lights and to turn on the music.
I can just say, Alexa, turn down my thermostat to 72 degrees. It's much easier to ask Alexa than get out the newspaper and check what the weather's going to be for the next week.
The independence gives them confidence.
I think Alexa is a key reason why some people choose to move into Eschaton.
We were really concerned that we wouldn't be able to make sure that my mom was happy and doing well. But Alexa has really made it easy to be able to see her every day, even when I can't make it for a visit.
Our residents love using Alexa.
We ask residents to lead us in the direction they want to go, and they overwhelmingly said, we want Alexa.